ladies and gentlemen, happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to my mom in Little Rock, Arkansas.
And my mom in Houston. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you for everything. Cheers to you. We're at a really wonderful property here in Pemberton Heights, and we're going to show you all about it.
Yes. So this is a beautiful $1 million listing here in Pemberton Heights, which is in a historic district in Austin. We're going to cut through here to the living room through this incredible outdoor in sliding door. So you can really open this up. You have marble floors throughout the whole downstairs. It even leads to the front patio in the front, which is really great. I love the outside in. There are mimosas and roses here for mom, but we have a quartz countertop, Miele appliances. Notice your refrigerator and dishwasher are completely fitted and fashioned with the cabinets. This is a very gorgeous home.
So yeah, Pemberton Heights is one of these neighborhoods here in Austin that's one of the premier properties here, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about that in a second. But Diane mentioned the marble floors. The marble floors go from outside in. You also have a two-car garage here and a half bath downstairs. And this is a, this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath house, and it's $1 million. And it's worth it for every single penny of it, because what I've seen in Austin, Texas for $1 million is there's a big market for $1 million houses, but sometimes they don't buy you much. But this property has a lot of extras, and a lot of that is mainly space. So take a look at, this is the master bedroom. So these ceilings, I believe, are about 15 feet tall, but take a look at the huge windows. And we also have the mini split system, which is highly efficient. And all of this is an enormous room. It also has a great bathroom. So take a look at the tub. It also has that walk-in shower that is basically like the size of a closet. So you've got a wonderful luxurious bathroom, huge rooms, and the floors are well chosen. And here we got solid wood. So there's solid wood floors everywhere. You have a washer and dryer laundry room upstairs, very cool. There's a little area right here that could be used as an office. And again, huge windows.
Mickey, you were talking about the space. Look how big this hallway is. It's so grand. Everything is so open and spacious. It's really fabulous. We're surrounded with oak trees around the neighborhood. So it is just, you are in the perfect spot. You have beautiful pecan and oak trees out your windows. Ton of natural light, and through here you have a great skylight in this guest bathroom that leads all the way down into the kitchen. It's gorgeous, y'all. This is a beautiful home. If you want to learn more information, please contact us first. We'd love to share it with you.